The boy running on the track is Zhang Chuan-Kun, a primary student in the 3rd grade. His father was a staff member of the fire brigade in Nanning. After school, he often participates in various physical training together with his father's colleagues.
我在这里就是每天下来拉单杠、跑步，还有做俯卧撑，还有仰卧起坐。
我们每天晚上我们都会下海田场来训练，他也经常跟着我们一起下面来。他跟我们一起训练了半个月到1个月之间，然后他的手臂力量、腰腹力量都得到了很大的提升。
After regular training, Zhang began to try to challenge a more difficult item, the bar pullover. He did 84 pullovers in a row last year.
刚开始的时候，他一般只跟我们跑个2圈到3圈，然后后面我们才慢慢跑个3公里。然后做俯卧撑、做仰卧起坐的话，他都是跟着我们一起做的，100个、200个、300个的。
多运动对身体有帮助，除了快乐。
6·1儿童节到了，祝阿坤越长越高，尽早实现自己的愿望。
看到消防员叔叔，他们都有肌肉用来保护人，然后我也想有一身肌肉保护更多人。